This model lets you explore how energy is transferred through conduction between two solids. You'll need to initialize the model before running it by pressing the Setup button. When you do so, you'll see a bunch of particles appear on the screen in the shape of two rectangles. Each rectangle is a solid, and these are the particles that make up that solid. You can adjust the width and the height of the solid. In order to make these changes take effect, you'll need to press the Setup button. Notice that the number of particles and the mass of the solid on the left changed. The mass of an object is directly proportional to the number of particles that make it up. Notice that when I adjust the temperature slider, the color of the particles change. Color is used to help visualize particle speed more clearly. The particles at lower temperatures will move more slowly and will appear whiter in color, while particles at a higher temperature will move faster and appear redder in color. When you press Go Pause, time will start to elapse in the simulation. The monitors on the simulation help you keep track of the total particle kinetic energy in each solid and the total of all the particles. These monitors help you keep track of temperature changes in the left and right solid, as well as the temperature difference between the solids. Right now, the solids are not in contact with each other. In order to change that, you can adjust one or both of these sliders, which will slide each solid towards the other and eventually put them in contact with one another. To run the model in fast forward, you can adjust its speed with this slider. As you move it to the right, it'll produce data faster in the graphs and in the monitors, but it will skip some steps in the visualization of the particles. Slide it to the center to run it at the default setting.